In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix broken Windows files using the System File Checker tool. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. System File Checker, or SFC, is a built-in Windows utility that helps you scan and restore corrupted system files. It's a powerful tool that can save you a lot of headaches. First, we'll need to open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. Click on the Start menu. Type cmad. Select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scanow and hit Enter. This command will start the system scan. The scan may take some time, so be patient as it checks and repairs any corrupted files. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a message indicating the results. If no issues are found, great. If issues were found and fixed, you should be good to go. And that's it. By using the System File Checker tool, you can easily fix most issues with corrupted Windows files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.